gonna play Pac-Man. If we can. I think we can. Yeah, I can. This is a horrible version. It's not as pixelated. Well, that goes fast. Come and get me. Yeah! Yeah! Yay! So, put in the comments below if you would like to if you want me to play more Pac-Man. I'm not gonna stop the video, but like, just in case I forget to say it. This game is so slow. Wow. Okay, we're gonna do a few more other games, so I'll be back when I get to the other game. And we're gonna play Earn to Die. Earn to Die. If this one will load. We're gonna play Slither, EO, whatever the heck it was called. But like it wouldn't load properly, so we just... I just found this game randomly. New game? New game, I think. Okay. Skip, we don't want to go. I haven't bought a car yet. I want to buy a car. It's a new car. Ooh. Oh, you can buy. Oh. This game looks fun. Fuel. Great. Day 1 completed. Can we get a gun? Yeah, so much. Why? We already have that. Okay, we have a better fuel tank. It'll last longer. I've just started playing this, so don't. Yeah! that isn't. Aw, dang it. Oh. How much money do we have? Okay. So it's this. Yeah, we're gonna buy this better engine. Okay, so I was gonna choose which game I would like to make into a series. Put in the comments below which game I should. Okay? And this is goodbye, internet. So good. Wait. Wait. I forgot something. Get it. And good. Bye.